athi uyitshe elanqatshwa ngabakhi. Banqaba abakhi. Lento yokuthi uyitshe elanqatshwa abakhi into ebenziwa uma kwakhiwa lithatha itshe lichozwe mase libonakala ukuthi ayingeke alifithi la bese lijijelwe le bese kuphinde kuthathwe elinye itshe lichozwe malifithe lifakwe lakhe indlu. But uJesu Kristu bamthatha bathi uyitshe elingafanele ukuthi lingakha balithatha balijikjela le as a rejected stone. Njengetshe elinqatshiweyo lanqatshwa ngabakhi. But uPeter masekhuluma athi this is a precious stone. Lelitshe abathatha balinqaba balala bathatha a very precious stone. Itshe ehlukile itshe elibaleke kunawo wonke amatshe balithatha esikhundleni sokuthi balibeke bakhe ngalo balithatha balilahla. Lithi namanje kulabo abakholwayo it's a precious stone. Itshe legugu itshe elibaleke kunawo wonke amatshe kodwa kulabo abalinqabayo seliyinhloko yegugu.